Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Sawyer water filtration system out there, the Camco TastePURE RV water filter. Whether you're an avid camper, an RV enthusiast, or just someone who values clean, fresh water on the go, the Camco TastePURE RV water filter has got you covered. Let's delve into what makes this filtration system stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about filtration. This system utilizes an advanced 6-step filtration process, including a pre-filtration layer for debris, premium activated carbon filter, and a superior KDF formulation that protects against bacteria. It's not just about removing bad taste and odor. It's about ensuring your water is clean and safe to drink, no matter where your adventures take you. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply connect the Camco TastePURE RV water filter to your RV water hose, and you're good to go. It's compact, lightweight, and designed for hassle-free use, so you can spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the great outdoors. But it's not just for RVs. Whether you're camping, boating, or even just filling up your water bottle at a questionable campground, this filter is a game-changer. With top industry certifications and proudly made in the USA, you can trust the quality and reliability of Camco products. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best Sawyer water filtration system, look no further than the Camco TastePURE RV water filter. Stay hydrated, stay safe, and keep exploring with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy camping!